Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the washer's valve-to-tub fill hose in your Frigidaire laundry center, you will need a No. 2 square drive bit, a short Phillips head screwdriver, and pliers. Before you begin, unplug the power cord and shut off the incoming water supply. Have an assistant help you to move the appliance away from the wall or out of the closet. You may need to detach the venting from the dryer to fully access the rear of the laundry center. If necessary, remove the drain hose from the standpipe or laundry tub. If you haven't already detached the hot and cold water supply lines to move the appliance, unthread them from the water inlet valve ports. Be prepared for some water to spill. Now use the No. 2 square drive bit or the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws securing the inlet valve to the rear panel. Push the valve in to detach it from the panel. Next, from the front of the appliance, use the putty knife to release the 2 retaining clips securing the washer's main top. Lift up the top and disconnect the lid lock assembly wire connector. You can now fully remove the main top. Reach into the cabinet to retrieve the inlet valve. Use the pliers to release the spring clamp so you can detach the fill hose from the valve. Next, unthread the 2 screws securing the dryer's lower access panel. Pull the panel up to remove. Now use the short Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screw securing the fill hose to the support panel. Release the retaining tab to detach the hose from the panel, then detach the hose from the retaining bracket to fully remove. To prepare the new valve-to-tub fill hose for installation, transfer the spring clamp from the old hose to the new one. Now snap the hose into place in the retaining bracket. Hook the hose on the support panel, then push the retaining tab into place. Thread the screw to secure. Realign the access panel and secure it with the screws. Attach the new fill hose to the inlet valve and secure it with the spring clamp. Reposition the valve by inserting the ports through the hole in the rear panel. Reinstall the main top by first reconnecting the lid lock wire connector. Secure the wire in the retaining clip. Now slide the rear of the main top under the rear retaining clips. Then realign the main top and push down to snap it into position. Returning to the rear of the appliance, thread the screw to secure the inlet valve to the rear panel. Attach the hot and cold water supply lines to the inlet valve ports. If necessary, reinsert the drain hose into the standpipe or hook it onto the edge of the tub. Reattach the venting if required, and move the appliance back against the wall or into the closet. Turn the water supply back on. Plug the power cord back in. And your laundry center should be ready for use.